Feels like Vegas, don't it? Then we got the convertibles. We got the Shelby. Don't play with them. Don't play with the Mr. Shelby. They need to go all together. And they both need to rev their engine. I want to see that all together. All of them need to rev it at the same time. I know they know each other. No, that's crazy. I ain't never seen so many. And it keeps going. It keeps going. It keeps going. Rev it, baby. Rev it, baby. Okay, okay. Them shits ain't got nothing on the check out them. We got us a low ride out here, baby. Don't play with them. I hope people don't care I'm recording them, but pyramid. Okay. Look at your big ass truck. Yeah, that's what I was reporting.
Hey, that's fine.
Yeah. Big rig.
Welcome to Vegas.
Okay.
Arena. We about to have a good fucking time. It's my 30th birthday. And we about to get drunk as fuck.
Okay.
Like Vegas represents, it's about being in the moment and just feeling like it's awesome.
You get it? Welcome to Las Vegas. This your job, Kim. Look, now we're going down. Oh no. Yeah, they're gonna keep going down. Where's this one? Oh.
Fat Tuesday.
Go, you gotta get our cup. We're finna go. Okay. I got some white shades.
Some white.
Yeah, they look just like these, but white.
Just like those.
I mean,
Just like these.
You funny, thank you.
Just like these ones, but they're white.
She got thank you. I didn't know she was.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. To this shit, 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 to this shit. To this shit, 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 shit, to this shit. Yeah. Goddamn.
Sing it right here. This is her birthday too. Oh, it's two of them. Her too. Her right here. And her right here. So both of them. So we celebrating the birthday this month. Oh shit, it's 2-8. God damn. Birthday's this motherfucker right here. Right here? Oh. Give her. Hold on. As soon as they come back, we got y'all. Okay, it's two right there. There's one right there. Coming up. There's no way it's that many birthdays in this motherfucker today. That's pretty crazy. I can't even hear you. Oh, leave us. Alright, leave us. I'm just giving them. Hey, right here, no, right here behind us too, right here. That's her birthday too. Everybody got one, so if you got any type of drink in your hand, put it in the sky right now on the count of 3.
Yeah.